If you or someone in your family was hurt in an ATV crash in or around La Crosse, Wisconsin, there's a good chance it happened fast. One second you're riding a trail, crossing a field, or heading down a gravel road, and the next second the machine rolls, someone gets thrown off, or a rider ends up pinned underneath the ATV. Now you're dealing with injuries, medical bills, insurance companies, and a lot of unanswered questions. Who's responsible? Was someone negligent? And how are you supposed to recover financially after something like this? Here in western Wisconsin, ATV accidents happen more often than people realize, especially in rural areas where these machines are just part of everyday life. But the truth is this: ATV accident cases are very different from typical car accidents. And if you are seriously injured, you need someone who understands how these crashes actually happen. My name is Craig Steger, and for more than 20 years, I've represented people injured in accidents involving heavy equipment, including ATVs, farm machinery, and commercial trucks across Wisconsin. ATV crashes often involve unique factors that general personal injury lawyers might overlook. For example, many ATV crashes involve rollovers, ejections, or uneven terrain, which can cause serious injuries like spinal cord trauma, head injuries, or crushing injuries. Sometimes the crash involves another rider, unsafe trail conditions, or maybe even equipment defects. Other times it happens because someone allowed a minor to operate an ATV without proper supervision or safety training. You see, Wisconsin has specific laws around ATV use. For example, riders who were born after January 1st, 1988 must complete an ATV safety certification course to operate on public trails. And when serious crashes happen, especially those involving injuries or fatalities, the accident must be reported within 10 days. But the most important issue after an ATV crash is determining who may be legally responsible. That may include another ATV operator, a property owner who created unsafe riding conditions, a manufacturer if the machine itself had a defect, or a negligent adult responsible for a minor rider. To prove a case, we often look at things like medical records, crash reports, witness statements, damage to the ATV, and sometimes expert analysis of how the crash occurred. The goal is to make sure injured riders and their families receive compensation for things like medical bills, lost income, long-term injuries, and in the most tragic cases, wrongful death. If you or someone you care about was injured in an ATV accident near La Crosse or anywhere in western Wisconsin, it's important to understand your rights as soon as possible. Evidence can disappear quickly, and the insurance companies often start investigating right away. You can learn more about ATV accident cases and your legal options by texting or calling the number on the screen. You can schedule a free consultation with my office to see if we can help you. I'm Craig Steger, and I help injured people across Wisconsin after serious accidents involving ATVs, farm equipment, and commercial trucks. When off-road equipment causes serious injuries, you deserve someone who knows how these cases actually work.